Learn how to map read in 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Disclaimer, clearly you can't learn to map read competently in 2 minutes and 44 seconds. That would just be ridiculous. It takes time, experience and practice. In fact, some might say this is a bit of a pointless video. Why am I bothering to teach you map reading in 2 minutes and 44 seconds? But hey, it's going to give you an insight into map reading anyway. It's a bit of a summary of videos I've done in the past, and it entices you to go back and look at those videos I've done about map reading. Orientate the map to the ground using your map and your compass. Line up your magnetic north needle in your compass with the blue northings on your map, like so. Take your grid reference of your current location and the grid reference of your objective. Point to note, remember when you're taking the grid reference, you go along the corridor and up the stairs. My current grid reference is Sierra Zulu 4325 8439. Sierra Zulu 4325 8439. The grid reference of my objective is grid Sierra Zulu 4325 8473. Sierra Zulu 4325 8473. Taking a bearing from your current location to your objective, using either side or either edge of the compass, lining up from your location to the objective, twisting the compass circle until the lines inside the circle marry up with the blue northings on the map, like so. My true bearing is 635. Remember to convert your true bearing to magnetic bearing. Depending on where you are in the world, you either take 10 degrees or add 10 degrees. In this case we're in England, so I'm going to add 10 degrees. This will give us 005, heading in that direction. Calculate the distance you need to travel using the scale, the relevant scale on the compass, like so. (350 meters). Key features on the map such as wood blocks, tracks, bridle paths, contour lines, small streams, etc, etc. All of these markings on the map can be found on the key at the bottom of the map. There you go. There's a basic map reading in 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Wow. Right, clearly you're not going to learn map reading in such a short space of time. Yeah, you need to learn it in more depth, go out and practice it, make mistakes, yeah, and gain a bit of experience. For more in-depth lessons on any of the points that I've gone through in that very quick short video, I'm going to put a link to every relevant point in the description below, and that will take you through to a more sensible video and go into a bit more depth on each point. Thanks for taking the time to watch this silly little video. Like I say, click on the links in the description below, to actually get stuck in and learn a bit more about map reading in depth.